How to fix TikTok verification code not received. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, check your signal and restart. You have to make sure that you are using a strong mobile network or Wi-Fi signal. You can also try to restart your phone to refresh all background processes and then try requesting the code again. If that does not help, TikTok may delay codes if you send multiple requests. So wait a full 90 to 120 seconds and then hit the resend code option just once. Check your SMS inbox and spam folder if it is email based. If not, you can also launch the settings application and then tap on focus and then on do not disturb. Go ahead and turn off any modes that might silence messages. Also check if any SMS blocking apps or filtering settings are enabled, especially on apps like Truecaller. And if that does not help too, you can try accessing the code using email instead. So enter your registered email and then check your inbox and spam. This often works faster than SMS. And if your issue is still not fixed, you can try to switch to a different network or use a VPN carefully. If your carrier or region is blocking messages, switch to Wi-Fi or try a different SIM. You can try a VPN but use it only for login, as TikTok may flag it as suspicious if overused. And if it still does not fixes your issue, then launch the settings application and then tap on general and then on iPhone storage. Here, navigate to TikTok and tap on it and then go ahead and offload the app, as offloading the app will clear the cache in the app and will further refresh the app. And if it still does not fixes your issue, then you can contact TikTok support team for further assistance. So this is how you can fix TikTok verification code not received. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.